Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again, the pullback entry. And now we want to actually check on the market. But before that, I want to show you the trade that I traded last, let me say this week. And this is my history. And these are the trade that I traded. You can see GPUSD. I had a loss, and Euro Swiss francs. I had a loss there. So what the truth is that I knew that this week will be a lot of consolidation. That is why if you see the loss that I took in my trade was all 1 to 0.25, three loss size. All these are tiny loss that I took on my trade because I knew that trade is definitely going to consolidate this week and next week too. So we are going to be seeing more of consolidation this week and next week. So that is why if you see the total loss that I had is 1,500 dollars that I had as a loss. So no profit this week. Next week, let's see how whether there will be a profit, but surely there will be a profit next week. Due to the way I'm seeing the trade now, the trade is more having a good setup than is more having a good setup for next week than this week. Okay, so now this is the JPUSD now. You can see all trade is having a good setup, but we are still on the consolidation era. We are still on the consolidation area. So consolidation area can happen for about 2 weeks or 3 weeks. 2 weeks or 3 weeks. After 2 weeks, after 3 weeks, then we'll now enter into a good liquidity in the market. But if you can see here, you can see that the trader form an head, a double head, a double shoulder, sorry, and a head. This is the head, and that is double shoulder. You can see. So this trade came here, it broke out liquidity. Like if you see, there was a place that I analyzed some trade that I took. So this is the first pullback, second pullback, third pullback, and this is the fourth pullback. So after having all these four pullback in the 4 hours, trade has to what? Break all this liquidity before going for the sell direction. So you can see that in GPP USD will be seeing a lot of sell, a lot of sell. So this is one pair that I will say, okay, you guys should go into and start taking your trade. Okay, this is one pair. Then the second pair now is the USD Canadian. You know, when the GPUSD is going positive, USD Canadian will be going negative. The same thing will be seen here. So you can see here, first pullback, second pullback, third pullback, and this is the fourth pullback. Am I right? For the same thing, yes. Fourth pullback, yes. Before it now went up, come back and broke liquidity, and is going for a buy here. So this is just the general overview of this particular trade. So there are more traders giving good analysis. So you can see go to the Euro USD. So this is the Euro USD trade. The same thing, okay. So we can see an head. This is the first head. This is the second head, the third head, and this is the fourth head. And it came here. And it came here. And it came here and broke this liquidity there before going for actual sell trade. So that is it. That is it. So trade are set up for a good entry point. If you actually see here, so maybe on Monday, once trade starts on Monday, you can enter on this spot here. You can enter on this spot here. The same thing with the GPPSD too. The same thing with the GPSD. So trade is just going for sell, while USD Canadian is going opposite. So I mean next week is going to be a good trade. But you know that we are still in the consolidation area. So as trade is going for sell to be consolidating. So You have to hold. You can hold for 3 days, 4 days before that particular trade will go for take profits. So that is just it. That is just it. That is just it. Okay. So for the movement of the trade, I'm expecting trade to move. Let me go to the GPP USD now. Um, I'm expecting trade to pull like this, come up, pull again a little bit before breaking all this to the up direction. So that is what trade is actually going to do. So we'll be seeing something like a double head at the bottom, a double, something like a W, a W. So this is like a W now, and it's having something like a double head before it breaks all this liquidity here and push to the upward direction. So that is it. So if you like my, so that is it for the analysis of today. So if you like my YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification, and you will be getting all my videos. All my trade are all simple and well, and now all my trade are all simple and easy to actually understand. Actually understand. Okay, well, please turn on the bell notification and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like all my videos. Thank you guys.